Good day everyone, this is Janine Villalon from BS Ed Science 2. For today's video, I am going to discuss what is carbohydrates and how important carbohydrates in our body. Even also in an animal and plants. The carbohydrates is the principal class of energy yielding nutrients that are great abundance. Carbohydrates is very important in our society because they provide basic diets in the form of starch and sugar, and also in our clothing and shelter. So there are four major types of carbohydrates. We have monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. So monosaccharides is the smallest unit of carbohydrates that cannot be hydrolyzed to a simpler carbohydrate unit. So meaning monosaccharide is the last unit of carbohydrate. It cannot be hydrolyzed anymore, but only monosaccharide is the smallest unit of carbohydrate. Next is disaccharide. Disaccharides is a carbohydrate yield two monosaccharides, either the same or different hydrolyzed. Also, disaccharides are often used by plants and animals to transport monosaccharides from one cell to another. Next is oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides is the carbohydrate with at least two but not more than 6 monosaccharides units linked together. So oligosaccharides can be formed by the help of 2 or less than 6 monosaccharides. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but less than 6 only. So the last major types of carbohydrates is the polysaccharides. The polysaccharides is the macromolecular substance that can be hydrolyzed to yield many monosaccharides units. So meaning macromolecular substance. It is the largest among all the four major types of carbohydrates. These polysaccharides can be hydrolyzed to yield many monosaccharides. If monosaccharide is the smallest and cannot be hydrolyzed, well, the polysaccharides is the largest, or the macro. Macro means large, big, and polysaccharide is hydrolyzed, can be hydrolyzed to form many monosaccharides units. Okay, so monosaccharides and disaccharides are both water-soluble carbohydrates, and they have also a characteristically sweet taste and are often called sugars. Since glucose is most important in monosaccharides, glucose, also known as dextrose and grape sugar. That is why if we notice in the hospital, each patient should have a dextrose, because sugar is the key of the body and is carried by the bloodstream to all body parts. So fructose is part of hexoses, and hexoses is one of the important in monosaccharides. Fructose is a ketohexose that occur in fruit juice, honey, and along with glucose is a constituent of the disaccharide sucrose. So fructose is the sweetest of all the common sugars. If the glucose is sweet, well, the fructose is about twice as sweet as glue. So imagine how sweet the fructose is. This account for the sweetness of high fructose corn syrup and honey. To sum it up, carbohydrates are among the most important classes of biochemicals. Okay, I hope you learned something from our video, since that is the end of our topic, and that's all. Thank you.